A very warm good afternoon to all the attendees. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are about to start our session on Flipkart's Supercoin promotion. Before we move ahead and understand what exactly is Supercoin promotion, I would like to know if you all can see the screen and hear my voice. For that, I'm sending you a poll, and I would request all the attendees to please address the poll and update me with your responses. The poll should be visible on your screen, requesting all the attendees to please update if the screen is visible and the voice is audible to you. Requesting all the attendees to please address the poll visible on your screens. Thank you very much. So there's one more option. There's one more poll that I would like to know. Have you ever opted in for Supercoin promotion at any time? There's a poll sent to you. It should be visible on your screens. Requesting all attendees to update me. Have you ever opted in for Supercoin promotions? No problem. There are certain comments coming in that you're not aware what Supercoin promotion is. I'm here to explain you that. Mr. Jaspreet Singh, I would update you on your response as well. Request you to wait for a while. Allow me to take you through the presentation first. And once the presentation is over, I will be taking up all your questions. So even though it is Chai Biscuit webinar session, I would like to explain what Supercoin promotion is because a lot of people are not aware. So Supercoin promotion is a new promotional construct which has been designed to target Flipkart Plus customers. Now here you give them some lower price discounts, and in return of those discounted price, the buyers use the coins that they have earned during their previous purchase on Flipkart portal. So why are we targeting Flipkart Plus customers here? Because Flipkart Plus customers are loyal customers of Flipkart. Uh, we provide them with free shipping and faster delivery. Also, they have early access to sale events, which increases a lot of visibility on your products. And if you target them by giving them some special discount, you are increasing the possibility of your products being sold because they have more tendency to purchase. They buy very frequent, they purchase products on very frequent basis. So this is definitely going to help you. Now, please keep a note. You do not need to opt in your product into Flipkart Plus free shipping program to avail Supercoin promotion offer construct. These are two different programs. It is absolutely your wish if you want to participate in both of them, but you can directly target Flipkart Plus customers without opting in for Flipkart Plus program. Because when you opt in for Flipkart Plus program, you have to give them free shipping and faster delivery. But if you opt in for Supercoin promotion, you don't have to give them free delivery. You can just give them a lower price discount. So let's understand what is the benefit of taking part in Flipkart Plus promotion, Supercoin promotion. First is, this promotion will lead you to an enhanced visibility on your product. You will get a new filter called Flipkart Plus Buyers. When you click on that filter on your promotions tab, all Supercoin promotions will come up. This will definitely improve your performance matrix as you are targeting Flipkart Plus customers who have more tendency to purchase, so you can easily work towards your goal. You can opt in and opt out of these offers anytime you want. That is absolutely your choice. Now, here you are going to get incentive of 50% of the discount value, which is up to commission fees only on these promotions. So your reimbursement will either reflect in your payment settlement report or you will receive it every month. So the concept of incentive is, suppose if you're giving a discount of, suppose you're giving the discount of 100 rupees. So 50% of the discount value, which is 50 rupees, will be your incentive. But incentive can be given up to commission fees only. So if your commission fees is 50 or above, like 50 rupees or 60 rupees is the commission amount, then your discount value will be fully paid off. Means you will get the entire 50 rupees as your discount fee waiver. In case if the commission value is little lesser than 50 rupees, suppose the commission fees is 40 rupees, then you will get only 40 rupees waived off on your discount value. There's one thing that you need to keep in mind. Once you have opted out of this promotion, you cannot opt in back. When you go on your Flipkart promotions tab, as I said, you will see this refine option, filter. Click on the filter Flipkart Plus Buyer, all your Supercoin promotions will come up. So you can choose whichever Supercoin promotion you want to opt in for. You will get the details here, the call out indicators. Check the call out indicators, you will get to see all the details. And you will also see the Supercoin logo on the left hand side. This is the Supercoin logo that you're going to see. These are the call out indicators. Use these call out indicators to check all the details about the promotion. So whatever discount that you're offering is clearly mentioned here, and the buyers will be availing this discount in returns of Flipkart coins that they have earned during their previous purchases. Now, Supercoin promotion is an additive discount which is applied on top of all the other promotion construct. So if there are other promotions also that you have participated in, like suppose deal of the day, so if you have opted in for deal of the day, and on top of that if you are opting in for Supercoin promotion also, then Supercoin discount will be added on top of that promotion. So when you select a desired Supercoin promotion and click on it, you can download the eligible listings which are eligible for Supercoin promotion. Here you can see eligible listing IDs. When you click on this, you can download the eligible listing, mark it as yes for Supercoin promotion, and all those listings will be added. Here you can see the discount calculator also. This is your discount calculation. So when you download your eligible listing, you will see a file like this. Here you will see your listing IDs, FSN, SKU ID, the MRP, usual price, discount price, all the details will be visible here. Whichever listing you want to opt in for, you can add those listings. Now let me show you the buyer interface also. The buyer will get to see the entire coin balance. Here they will see their coin balance, and this is how the discount price is being used. Suppose the seller has opted in for some other discount also. First, the other discount will be opted in, and in the remaining amount, the Supercoin promotion will be added as shown in the figure here, like this. So the total payable here in this example is 1500 plus 10 coins. The value of 10 coin is 150. So like that it is used in the buyer interface. Again, the discount waiver that I had mentioned earlier, I would like to mention that again. You will get 50% of the discount value as your incentive. As I've mentioned, it is going to come up till commission fees only. If your commission fees matches the 50% of the discount value, then you will get entire 50% of discount value in return. Otherwise, up till commission fees only. So let's take an example here. Let's try and understand this example. The listing price of the product is 600 rupees. The usual price of the product is 500. Here the seller has opted in for deal of the day offer, DODT. Now, final price of this product for non-plus customer is 450 rupees. Okay, because deal of the day offer is 50. So the final price for non-plus customer comes around 450. Now we are giving additional 5% offer on this product kurti as Supercoin promotion. So this is the amount that's coming. So final price for Flipkart Plus customer is 427. Then rest of the amount, commission fees, shipping fees, fixed fees, collection fees. So the final settlement after MP fees deduction is 247. And you are going to get the fee waiver of the discount value. So your discount was 22 rupees 50 paisa. So the 50% is 11 rupees 25 paisa. Now in comparison to your commission fees, it is lesser. So you will get entire 50% of your discount value. If this discount value would have been more than your commission fees, then whatever the commission fees amount is, the discount will be given till that amount only. So now if you have any questions, request you to post your queries. ओके हम काफ़ी सारे सेलर्स का कहना है कि आपने हिंदी वेबिनार ज्वाइन किया था सर। मिस्टर रविंदर, आज का वेबिनार तो इंग्लिश में था सुपर कॉइन प्रमोशन, बट अगर आप चाहते हैं तो मैं एक बार हिंदी में भी रिपीट कर दूंगी। मुझे थोड़ा सा समय दे, मैं एक दो क्वेश्चंस जो हैं उन्हें आंसर कर देती हूँ और मैं फिर आपको हिंदी में भी एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी। Mr. Jaspreet Singh, your question is you deal in shoes and if you apply Supercoin, we deal in loss because we give discount as well as free shipping, give us away. So Mr. Jaspreet, in Supercoin promotion, you don't have to give free shipping to the buyers. Be it Flipkart Plus buyers or non-plus buyers, you can charge them for shipping fees. I hope the question is clear. Mr. Jackie Gangwani, I will be sending you the recording link of the session on your registered email IDs. So you will get the entire session recording. No problem. You will be getting the entire recording. Mr. Sonic Das, the fee waiver is 50% of the discount, not 100%. I think there's some confusion that you have here. There's no 100% discount. It is 50% of the discount value as a fee waiver. That is also up to commission fees only. Mr. Kuber said for Supercoin promotion, buyer will not get faster delivery. Flipkart Plus customers, when they make a purchase, and when you have opted in for Flipkart Plus program, then you have to give faster delivery, not for Supercoin promotion. So Flipkart Plus program and the Supercoin promotion are two different programs. In both these programs, you target Flipkart Plus customer, but when you opt in for Flipkart Plus program, you have to give them free shipping and faster delivery. But in Supercoin promotion, you just give them some small discount. Congo India, as I mentioned, Flipkart Plus customers are our premium customers. They have more tendency to purchase on Flipkart. They frequently buy. That is why we give them some additional benefits. Since they have more tendency to purchase, we have created an additional program for our sellers to target them. That is called Supercoin promotion, which I just explained to you. Mr. Amandeep Singh, yes, you can advertise any SKU that you have. Be it, even though if you have opted in for Supercoin promotion or any other kind of promotion, you can definitely advertise them. Mr. Gaurav Patil, we keep updating various Supercoin promotion discounts. So you can check whichever listings that you have, if they are eligible for any Supercoin promotions, you can opt in for those promotions. Krishna Patil, you can anytime join or stop the promotion between. There is no time limit defined for it. But once you stop it, you will not be able to join it back. Yes, Mr. Gaurav Patil, you will get 50% fee waiver, but this is limited period offer. The offer is still on. Whenever the offer switches off, you will stop getting the fee waiver on this. Mr. Sonic Das, I have shown you just a random example, the 10 coins a buyer would have earned in one purchase or many purchases. It depends. Okay, it depends if you are a plus customer or a non-plus customer, that is customer facing. But whatever the discount value that you're giving, that discount value depends upon the coin that have been earned. Hita collection, the link of this recording video will be shared to you on your registered email IDs. Mr. Prasad, there are many Supercoin promotions. If you are opting out of one Supercoin promotion, you cannot opt in back again in the same Supercoin promotion. You can opt in for different ones. It's not only one, we have many Supercoin promotions available. Mr. Jaspreet, your question is what will we do in Flipkart assured products? You can opt in for Supercoin promotion if you want. That is absolutely your choice, sir. Mr. Amandeep, if even after selecting the filter Flipkart Plus buyers, you cannot see any Supercoin discounts, that means none of your listings have eligibility to ongoing Supercoin promotions. Mr. Ranjit Prakash, you will receive the recording of this session. Mr. Sonic Das, where have you seen 100% discount, sir? Can you please explain me? Because there's no place where you get 100% discount. Joni Evan, the session is in English. We will do another session in Hindi. Request you to join that session later. Chanchal Agarwal, no problem if your question is out of the topic. It is about the current situation. I completely understand that you have questions. We are waiting for government to update us if we can start our business. Until and unless government is not allowing logistics to move, we will not be able to accept orders from customers. So we all have to wait, Chanchal. And just to update you all, keep a check on your registered email IDs with Flipkart and make sure that you are checking it on regular basis. We will be sending you email communications, SMS, or push notifications. So please keep a check on this. मोनिका जी, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज आप बताइए, मैं आपके क्वेश्चन को आंसर करूंगी. Ritu Garg, if you have opted in for Flipkart Plus promotion, then you will not be able to take shipping charges from Plus customers. If you have opted in only for Supercoin promotion, only in that case you will be able to charge shipping fees with Flipkart Plus customers. No, Mr. Kuber, the value of each coin is not equivalent to 15 rupees. As of now, the value of a coin would be somewhere around 10 rupees, I guess. I'm not 100% sure about it, but we will definitely check on this and get back to you. Mr. Kuber said that is how the promotion has been designed. So once you have opted out, you will not be able to opt in back again. But there's not only one Supercoin promotion. We have many different Supercoin promotions depending on category to category. So you can opt in for some other category later. Mr. Amandeep Singh, in case of return from buyer, your question is how much Supercoin, if it was Supercoin, if it was under the Supercoin promotion, how much amount will be deducted? Your return shipment will be deducted and we will waive off the Supercoin promotion. So just for your knowledge, we don't release the Supercoin immediately to the customers in case of purchase. But if they are consuming Supercoin discount, then we will waive it off in case of returns only. Mr. Mandeep Singh, yes, you can opt in for multiple Supercoin promotions. Thanks a lot, Chanchal. I'm so glad that I was able to answer your question. Ritu Garg, yes, absolutely yes. When you're only opting in for Supercoin promotion, then you can charge shipping fees to Flipkart Plus customers. There's a question, how can we become gold seller? You have to work really hard in promoting your business, and the more you grow your business, the tier will go up from bronze to silver, from silver to gold. Thanks a lot, Mr. Amandeep Singh. I'm so glad I was able to help you. And yes, we are also eagerly waiting for business to start. It's been very long. We all are working from home, and we wish to start our business soon, so that we totally understand that all our sellers are getting affected. Your employees are getting affected with this current lockdown, but the lockdown is also important to break the chain of this vicious disease that has been causing so much harm to humankind. So I hope the things settle down soon, and we can start our business and work eventually. There's a question, I sell essential products, so how can we start our business? Please reach out to our seller support team. The essentials have been started by Flipkart already. So you can reach out to our seller support team and update them with your area and tell them that you would like to start with selling essentials on Flipkart. Jayanti Ramnath, as you are facing a lot of returns, especially from the northern states, so your question is, will Supercoin promotion help us to get orders delivered? Your orders are anyways getting delivered, but Jayanti, if you are saying that the time consumed for order being delivered is late and that is why your orders are being returned or cancelled, then you should opt for express delivery, so that your orders are dispatched quickly and it reaches the customer quickly. So Jayanti, please go to SLC, read about express delivery, and reach out to seller support team and check if your nearest hub has some slots available. Opt in for express delivery. That will help you. There's another question. E-card guys are not working. Will they work for essential products? Yes, few areas have been allowed by the government to for e-card guys to work on delivering the essentials. So they will be working for dispatching the essential products. However, more information can be shared by seller support team only. Request you to please reach out to them. Thanks a lot, Jayanti. I'm so glad I was able to answer you. As of now, the Smart 2.0 is not working. It's on hold. Request you to please wait until the lockdown is over and business is up and running. Then you can go ahead and reach out to our seller support team for opting in for Smart 2.0. Ritugar, you can go to flipkart.com and check all the essential categories, especially related to some food items, medicines, baby products, hygiene products. These are all the essential items that has been started. Thank you very much. I'm so glad we were able to help you. सो मिस्टर रविंदर, आपने आज का वेबिनार जो ज्वाइन किया है, ये वेबिनार जो है इंग्लिश में था. आई थिंक आपको शायद कंफ्यूजन हुआ है हिंदी वेबिनार का. तो सुपर कॉइन प्रमोशन जो है एक ऐसा प्रमोशनल कॉन्स्ट्रक्ट है जिसमें आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को बेचने के लिए फ्लिपकार्ट प्लस बायर्स को टारगेट करते हैं. उन्हें एक छोटा डिस्काउंट देकर आप उन्हें अट्रैक्ट करते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट की तरफ. फ्लिपकार्ट प्लस बायर, जब कोई भी बायर प्रोडक्ट परचेज करता है फ्लिपकार्ट में, तो उनके अपनी परचेज के लिए कुछ सुपर कॉइन्स अर्न करते हैं. ये सुपर कॉइन, अगर आप सुपर कॉइन डिस्काउंट देते हैं तो उस डिस्काउंट में ये सुपर कॉइन को यूज करके अपना प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हैं. हम फ्लिपकार्ट प्लस कस्टमर्स को इसीलिए टारगेट करते हैं क्योंकि ये फ्लिपकार्ट के बहुत लॉयल कस्टमर्स होते हैं और फ्लिपकार्ट में काफ़ी परचेजिंग करते हैं. अगर आप सुपर कॉइन प्रमोशन में ऑप्ट इन करना चाहते हैं तो आपको फ्लिपकार्ट प्लस फ्री शिपिंग प्रोग्राम में ऑप्ट इन करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आप डायरेक्टली सुपर कॉइन प्रमोशन में भी ऑप्ट इन कर सकते हैं. सो आई होप आपका आंसर क्लियर हुआ. अगर आपको और कोई सवाल है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. Krishna Patil, you will have to check with seller support team. It's not just the essential items, but only few areas are serviceable as government has not allowed us complete access all over India. Only few cities are available for selling the essential products. So request you to please reach out to seller support team, check with them if your area is currently serviceable or not, and if you can sell tea as an essential product. Thank you, Mr. Ravinder Singh. सेलर्स, और कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप मुझसे पूछना चाहते हैं? फिलहाल कोई सवाल नहीं आ रहे हैं, पर मैं आपसे एक छोटा सा फीडबैक लेना चाहूँगी ये जानने के लिए कि आज का वेबिनार सेशन कैसा था. क्या आपको इस वेबिनार से कोई हेल्प मिला है? रिक्वेस्टिंग एवरीवन टू प्लीज अपडेट मी इफ टुडेज वेबिनार वाज हेल्पफुल टू यू. For that, I'm sending you a poll and I request all the attendees to please address the poll and update me with your responses. The poll is visible on your screen. सभी attendees से request करती हूँ, poll आपके screen पर visible है. Please अपना feedback हमें दें और बताएं कि आज का webinar कैसा था. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन अपना फीडबैक देने के लिए. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर योर काइंड फीडबैक. So since there are no more questions coming in, we would like to wrap up the session for the day, and I would request you all to attend other webinar sessions as well. I'll be sending you recording of this webinar session on your registered email IDs maximum by tomorrow. Meanwhile, I would request all the other attendees to please reach out to our seller support team in case you have any doubts, or you can go to Seller Learning Center. Mr. Vijay Patel, this was not waste of time. We have clearly updated in our Seller Learning Center welcome portal and also on our emails. हमने अपने सारे कम्युनिकेशंस में क्लियरली मेंशन किया था कि आज का वेबिनार जो है इंग्लिश में है. अगर आप हिंदी वेबिनार अटेंड करना चाहते हैं तो आप उसके लिए रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, या हमें फीडबैक भी दे सकते हैं कि आपको हिंदी वेबिनार अटेंड करना है. तो हम नहीं चाहते कि किसी भी तरह किसी भी अटेंडी या किसी भी सेलर का टाइम वेस्ट हो, इसीलिए हमारे कम्युनिकेशंस जो हैं बहुत ही क्लियर होते हैं कि किस लैंग्वेज में वेबिनार होने वाला है. सो सर, मैं माफ़ी मांगना चाहूँगी कि आपको जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो शायद आपने लिस्टिंग वेबिनार के लिए अटेंड किया होगा, जो कि कैंसिल करना पड़ा फॉर द रीज़न क्योंकि अभी लिस्टिंग्स क्लोज्ड है. और ये वेबिनार जो है ये इंग्लिश है, और अगर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन हुआ तो आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी अबाउट दैट, बट नेक्स्ट वेबिनार हम डेफिनेटली हिंदी में करेंगे. आई होप दैट शुड बी फाइन विथ यू मिस्टर विजय. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आपने मेरी अपॉलॉजी एक्सेप्ट करी. सो नेक्स्ट वेबिनार हम डेफिनेटली हिंदी में कंडक्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच मिस्टर विजय. वैसे अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप मुझसे अभी भी पूछ सकते हैं, मेरे पास थोड़ा टाइम बाकी है सेशन खत्म होने से पहले. तो आप हिंदी में अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं तो क्वेश्चन आप भेज सकते हैं, मैं आपको हिंदी में रिप्लाई दूंगी. ऑलराइट, सिंस कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं आ रहे हैं तो हम ये सेशन आज यहीं क्लोज करेंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी और सवाल हैं तो आप प्लीज़ हमें सेलर सपोर्ट टीम के थ्रू रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, या आप नेक्स्ट वेबिनार अटेंड कर सकते हैं. और आप प्लीज़ हमें अपडेट रखें कि कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन अगर आप हमसे शेयर करना चाहते हैं तो आप सेलर सपोर्ट के थ्रू रीच आउट करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच आपके टाइम और सपोर्ट के लिए. अगर आपके और कोई भी डाउट्स हैं तो आप सेलर लर्निंग सेंटर भी जा सकते हैं, और आप रिस्पेक्टिव वेबिनार्स भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड I hope to connect with you again soon. Thank you. I'm your host Ria, signing off for the day. Thank you very much for your time and support and being such a patient audience. Hope to see you all again soon in other webinars as well. Thank you.